What's up guys, Will here with Will's Games, Guns, and Fun. Today I got something a little bit special. We got a Gen 1 Glock 17L from Lipsy's. I believe these came out about 8 months ago, 10 months ago, or maybe about a year ago at the most. I don't think any more than that. Basically what this is, it's a Glock 17L Gen 1 reissue. You'll see on the serial numbers towards the end it'll say Gen 1. Basically what it is a Gen 1 frame, and then the slide is a Gen 3. So let's take a look here. This is chambered in 9mm. The long slide here. Gen 1 frame. This is nice and smooth. No finger grips or anything like that. Got your cutout here on the top for the weight savings. And it comes with 17-round Glock magazines. Gun was checked before, but we'll check it again. Loaded. Alright, 17-round magazines, obviously, that's a standard size bit. Fit flush. Got your mag release here that does stick out. You know, this is the more square one, not the rounded like the Gen 5s. But, you know, for me, I think it's fine. Release is fine. Also, what we're going to be testing out is a Toolman Tactical 35-round magazine. Alright, they're not sponsoring this video. Got it off Mag Shack. They're not sponsoring this video either. I just couldn't resist the price. $10 for a 35-round Glock magazine, aftermarket Glock magazine. As you can see here on the bag, made here in the USA in Alabama. Advertised as a featherweight material polymer mag, 35 rounds. I believe there's no steel in these. I didn't read anything about steel reinforcement on this at all. Like you see, you know, pretty sturdy. I wouldn't call it cheap or anything like that. I mean, it feels pretty good, and I found a few good reviews online, so we're going to be able to try it at the next store. So Tactical Toolman magazine, 35 rounds. Perfect. Glock 17 up. Go check it out. Alright guys, so you saw me there shooting at the range. That was actually my first go with the Glock 17L Gen 1. It's a great shooter, no issues, very light recoil. That Toolman tactical magazine, 35 round, performed great. You saw me shoot a few shots there with that extended mag. I had no issues whatsoever with it. Seems to be a very good quality magazine at a great price, so I highly suggest give them a try. And if you can, give this video a like and subscribe. Depending on your amount of likes and comments is what we'll post on the channel. And then later on you'll see some videos with my sons, with Potato, Aiden 157 about video games and things like that. So we'll see where this channel goes. Don't forget to like and subscribe.